Good morning. I'm the Reverend Rachel Hayes, minister of the Unitarian Universalist Society of Amherst. Today we're thinking about Christianity and our many relationships with it. Question 4. How do our roots in Christianity shape contemporary Unitarian Universalism? As I mentioned a little bit before, the Cambridge platform continues to be foundational to us as a faith that is covenantal and not creedal. I think we own our place as heretics, and that comes from our tense relationship with Christianity. Unitarian rather than Trinitarian, and Universalist rather than believing in hell. We have a strong sense of self-determination that I think comes from a lot of places, but also comes from our heretic identity. Theodore Parker, a beloved heretic within Unitarianism, preached the transient and permanent in Christianity. The transient being all the common traditions and expressions and even beliefs of the church, and the permanent being Jesus' essential teachings and the values therein. Parker was loved by his congregation, but shunned by his Unitarian clergy peers in the 1840s. Parker's Christianity sounds a lot like the faith of UU Christians I know today, and the permanent church sounds much like how the Unitarianism of his time has evolved into the Unitarian Universalism of ours. Values, not beliefs. But most of all, our faith's focus on love above all comes from our Christian roots. Our Universalist forebears knew that God loves us all no matter what, and freed from the fear of hell, we could get to work making heaven on earth. Unitarians like Parker knew that it had to come down to something, that we would need a center, and that love would endure. Our faith is in many ways different from the Universalists who first founded our congregation in 1889 and the Unitarians who joined them shortly after. But we still hold love at the core of what we do. We extinguish this flame, but not the light of truth, the warmth of community, or the fire of commitment. These we carry in our hearts until we are together again.